Prabhupada said that spiritual life is sharp like a razor. What does that mean? That if one follows the straight path of Krishna consciousness given by Prabhupada, which is completely in line with Rupa Goswami, he goes down the straight path. If one goes a little bit to the right, he falls off in the pit of Mayavad. I am God. I am same as Guru. I am same as Krishna. All is one. And if he goes a little bit the other way, to the left side, then he becomes a Sahajiya. I am already eternal associate of Krishna. I am already a pure devotee. I don't need all these rules and regulations. I can act any way I like. I'm surrendered to Krishna in my heart and mind. But Rupa Goswami had, what he has said perfectly, Prabhupada has given us the practical application, which so many so-called followers of Rupa Goswami have obviously failed to pick up. While following basic sadhana, chanting, rounds, attending temple programs, to be always fixed in enthusiastic devotional service under the order of the spiritual master, and to develop one's spontaneous enthusiasm through that devotional service. The more purified one's senses become, the more perfect becomes his service. The more purified one's senses become, the more clearly he can see what is his duty to the spiritual master and Krishna. And even if one is an awakened soul, he will try to give a good example. Because the Kanistadhikari, the unadvanced devotees, will not understand his advancement. But the pure devotee is sometimes just too much absorbed in his mood of trying to satisfy his order of the spiritual master, which is a much higher principle. I was Srila Prabhupada went to visit one wealthy man in Calcutta, and he went to his house, and when he went there, the man sent out, he said, well, Srila Prabhupada is here, he'd like to see you. This many, many years ago, sent in a message. The man sent out his message that, well, I'm doing puja, please come back after an hour or something. Prabhupada says, he does not know how to satisfy. What is the position of a devotee? Simply Kanistadhikari. He's doing his puja, and Krishna has sent his devotee to greet a devotee is a much higher principle. Than worshipping the deity in a mechanical way. There's so many instances in Chaitanya Leela. Sarvabhuma Bhattacharya left what he was doing, immediately came to greet the devotee. By pleasing the Lord's devotee, Krishna immediately becomes pleased. More so than worshipping Krishna directly for a limited time.